Hello there, welcome to Synconics. So in this video we will see about our module, that is multi-branches manufacturing. Okay, so basically this module helps manufacturing users and managers to manage their different kinds of manufacturing operations, their bill of materials, their work orders, work center operations, right? According to various branches and various outlets, those are created here. Okay, so in the case like where you have one company and you have different kinds of outlets or say branches. Suppose one is situated at San Francisco, second is at Los Angeles, third is at Chicago, and fourth is at New Jersey. So you will be able to manage multi branches manufacturing operations. All right, so we will see that. And here, as you can see, that I have defined three branches, that is Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Chicago. So basically I have defined user John, in which I have allocated all these branches for different operations. So John user will be able to see all manufacturing operations performed from all branches. Okay, secondly we have created one Martin user that will have only access for Los Angeles branch. And third, we have created one user Paul that have only access for Chicago branch. All right, so here, by going to manufacturing, okay, now by going to master data and bill of materials. So here they can also see them by branch wise. Suppose like Los Angeles related bill of material, San Francisco, Chicago related bill of material. All right, so that particular user which have allocated that particular branch will be only have access to that particular bills of materials. Suppose I will take example of Paul Chicago like this, and here I will go to bill of materials. So as you can see that he has only access for this particular Chicago branch. All right, now here for manufacturing orders, those are also bifurcated by branches wise. So as you can see that although this John user has access to all branches, so he will be able to see all his operations according to various branches. So I have already defined two manufacturing operations over here, right? With first is for Los Angeles branch, and second is for Chicago branch. All right, now we will go to see one operation that is related to Chicago branch. Okay, so it is already created, and as you can see that you will be also able to manage branches by these manufacturing orders. And when you will go to this miscellaneous informations, so as you can see, operation type is defining for Chicago manufacturing. Okay, and when you will define this multi branches scenario, then system will automatically create here multiple warehouses and the related locations, the related different operation types. All right, and according to these different users, their related operation types will be automatically defined over here when we will create this manufacturing order. And yes, of course, these sequence numbers will be also bifurcated branch wise, so users will be easily able to bifurcate them. All right, now I will again go to manufacturing orders and we'll take one Los Angeles example. Okay, so here as you can see that, and here this routing is also defined over here. So these work orders are already generated. So by clicking on that, you will be able to see branch over here like Los Angeles on these work orders also. All right. Now regarding to product moves, you will be also able to see this product moves by related Los Angeles stock, right? And when you will go by Chicago branch like this record, you will be able to see product moves from Chicago stock locations. All right. And by defining different kinds of raw materials according to various branches, just keep one thing to be noted, that you must have stock for that particular branches, related stock locations, okay, and for those raw materials, right? So after that you will be able to generate these manufacturing orders from bill of materials. Okay. Now we will go at reporting section and we will be able to see these manufacturing orders. So like this you will be able to see these orders by pivot view, and we will group it by branch like Los Angeles, Chicago, and you will be also able to see the different criterias like see you can as you can see over here like bill of materials. So you will be easily able to see and bifurcate data according to various measurements like this, right? And second thing is related to work orders. So you will be also able to see of course you will be able to see graphical view and pivot view on both of these reports like manufacturing orders, work centers, work orders, right? So by clicking on work orders, and this is pivot view, all right, and you will be able to bifurcate them by branch wise like this. So this is related to Los Angeles because we have defined routines for Los Angeles branch, over here, and we will filter them by manufacturing order. So as you can see that, and of course we can also define these measurements like this, right? Okay. So this is all about our multi-branch module. uh, Helps different manufacturing users and managers to manage different manufacturing operations. All right. Thank you for watching.
To know more about our modules, or any kind of ERP implementation in your organization, kindly email us on contact@synconics.com. We are officially Odoo Enterprise Sales Partner. You can ping us on Skype, that is, synconics.technologies. You can also call us on given number for your business inquiries.